Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the strength oscillator. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. And as a team, we will all profit from it when we are done. You can find a link to the first video down below in the description, and you should also see it pop up in the top corner right now. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Discord is a free group communication platform where we are having great discussions about all things to do with trading. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the strength oscillator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date we have tested a total of 22 different strategies with a total of 5 separate winners. We have also tested a total of 368 indicators with a total of 149 winners, which means that they have met or exceeded the 60% win-loss ratio threshold that we have set for them. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. But as we are working on building the best trading system possible, you could take any one of those 149 indicators and get out there and start potentially profitably trading the markets with them now. So go back and watch those videos, make a list of those indicators, and get out there and see what you can do with them. But stick with us here as we work on maximizing your trading profits. Okay, so today's indicator, if I could speak. Okay, so today's indicator is the strength oscillator. And you can see it here on the bottom of the screen. Basically, we have a few oscillating lines and we have a zero line. And really what we are looking for is when these oscillating lines cross up above the zero. And so I'm going to look at the green line because it seems to be the slower and probably could be a little bit better for confirming the move. And so we're going to watch the green oscillating line, and so we'll turn that one off and we'll bump this one up like this, maybe even change its color, brighten it up just a little bit. All right, so once the green line crosses up above the zero line, then we will go long. When it crosses down below the zero line, we will go short. So pretty simple setup. We've seen quite a few indicators like this before. Go ahead and continue here. So we do get a cross to the downside right there on that one. Looks like, yep, it's unfortunate. We get a really sharp pullback almost immediately right there. That stops us out, but you can see that this continues on. So maybe with a little bit of tweaking of the take profit and stop, then that would have been a really decent signal there. Go ahead and continue on with it here. So we pick up a long right there on that one. We get another pullback, but it looks like it stays. Oh, let me double check this again. Yep, it stays within the stop. Question is, does it hit take profit? And it does get us to the 90 pips. So gets us to the 90 pips there. And then over here on this side, we get a cross right there. And it's unfortunate because we get a split from 1 week to another. Pretty sure we did not hit take profit to the downside here. Nope, we did not. And then we get a split where it goes from 1 week to the other week. And when it does, it gaps up right here. And that definitely would have stopped us out up there. A few just unfortunate moves right there cost us a few really good trades. And then right here we get a long. Let's double check this right here. We don't quite get to the 90. Actually, looks like we might have, yep, just barely squeezed out the 90 pips on that one, and really took off on us to the upside there. Let's go ahead and continue forward. And over here on this side, we get a pull to the downside. Looks like it's going to hit the stop right there. Unfortunately, let's just double check this downside right here. It was really close, but just not quite. Then we get a spike right here that ends up actually stopping us out right there. And so we'll continue on here. We get across to the upside right here on that one. And it looks as though we get to take profit. Yep, we sure do. There we go. Take profit on that one. And continue. Downside there. Short signal. Looks like we barely stay within the stop, and we get to take profit. Over here on this side, it looks like we jump up over to the upside for just a moment. Get stopped out on that. Almost immediately, we get a signal to the downside there. We stay within the stop, and we get to take profit. So, not too bad. Then we get a little bit of a snaking action here, where we again pop up for just a moment, and then almost immediately we drop back under. I don't think that got us to take profit. Ooh, it was close, but it did. Was able to just barely squeeze out take profit. Then we pick up a long right there, which switches to a short right there, and both of those are going to get taken out pretty quick. And then jump to the upside there, stays within our stop, and gets us to take profit. All right, so that's the end of the year there. Before we add these up, now would be a good time to say that if you are interested in excelling your trading knowledge, I highly recommend that you join our Patreon-only channel on our Discord server. You can find a link to our Patreon down below. Once you sign up for that, it'll give you access to the Patreon-only channel on the server, where we are posting some really great advanced information about trading, trading strategies, trading indicators, the whole deal. Really good stuff. Our admin, Jay, has also put together a rather lengthy list of winning indicators for the MT platforms. And so if you use the MT platforms quite a bit, rather than TradingView, it'd be a really handy list for you to get your hands on. Our admins and regular members are also posting regular, almost everyday trade analysis, market analysis, where they are putting up screenshots of areas of support and resistance and indicators that they're using, exactly where they are entering and exiting trades, taking profits, the whole deal. They're growing small accounts really quickly with the information that they're putting out for everyone to see. It's really, really amazing stuff that they're displaying for everybody. And then lastly, I have put together an Excel sheet of all the strategies that we have tested, and it has exactly which ones were winners, which ones were losers, with their win rates and the whole deal. Links to the video so that way you can go back and view those strategies. And so you'll get that list as well as the entire list of indicators that we have tested with their win rates and which ones were losers and which ones were winners. So a lot of great stuff for really cheap. Doesn't cost hardly anything at all. So let's get back to the indicator here. So back this up just a little bit. Right there is what we're looking at. So we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. So we have 14 trades altogether, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 winning trades. So unfortunately, that is barely going to miss the 60% criteria that we were looking for. Maybe if our stops were adjusted just a tad bit, it's possible we could have squeezed out a win. Looking at these, I'm not 100% sure that would have worked. Looks like we may have only gotten 1 extra winner, possibly 2 extra winners. I guess 3, so 1, 2, 3 maybe. So yeah, it's possible adjusting the stops may have really helped this one a little bit. But for now, it's going to go on the no list, and we'll move on to the next indicator from here. If you have not already, like this video, share this video, comment below, and subscribe to the channel. Also turn on the bell notification so that way you are notified anytime I post a new video. So that way you know what indicators we have tested and are testing. Also, there is a link down below to join our Discord server, which is a free group communication platform where we discuss all things trading related. There is also a link down below to TradingView, and if you use that link to TradingView to sign up for an account, you will save a little bit of money. And lastly, there is a link down below to sign up for Patreon. Please sign up for the Patreon and support the channel the best way you can.